notice and perceive that I was not the guy who I thought of myself as. We always carry a version of ourselves in our mind. If I ask you, who is Vicky? How would you describe yourself? You will have certain ideas कि मैं ऐसा हूँ. So also I had ideas. If you asked me, I would have said I'm a very chill guy, I'm a very easygoing guy, I'm a very confident, laid-back guy, I don't have a lot of hassles. मैं मस्त हूँ. That was how I saw myself. But I started to realize that actually that is not the way I was engaging with the world. While in my mind I would say I'm a very chill, very laid-back guy, actually I was engaging with the world with a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety. Everything, the whole world suddenly seemed very scary. I have to go out to a place where there are people. Like it'll be too noisy, there'll be too many people. It was overwhelming.
Imran Khan confesses dealing with depression exclusively on Zoom. आमिर खान के नेफ्यू इमरान खान ने बॉलीवुड में आते ही चॉकलेट बॉय का टैग हासिल कर लिया था. The actor who got famous with जाने तू या जाने ना and Delhi Belly was a favorite of many actors. Imran Khan has worked with Sonam Kapoor, Genelia, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Kangana Ranaut, Katrina Kaif and a lot more actors, while he shared a thick bond with Ranbir Kapoor, whom he considered as a close friend. But something didn't really work for the actor when he was a part of the industry, following which he took a break from acting. And it didn't stop here. Imran Khan, who was happily married to Avantika Malik and also blessed with a baby girl with her, chose to head for divorce due to personal issues between the two. Some say that Avantika was not really happy with the way Imran's career was paving the way for him, following which it was taking a toll on his family life as well. And after a long break, Imran Khan has come in limelight once again for finding new love in his life and chose to rather open up about his life's ups and downs than to keep himself secluded in closed doors. The actor confessed to us openly about being under clinical depression, and it didn't stop here. He also revealed that he had to accept having mental health concerns, following which he chose to cut himself from the world of glamour.
I grew up in a home. My mother is a practicing psychoanalyst. And as a result, I kind of had a very destigmatized view of it. See, the fact of it is, how do you separate mental health from physical health? Your mind is as much a part of you as your body. How do you separate your mind from your body? मतलब सब साथ में ही है. You have to approach it and engage with it in that same way. If you have a pain in your tooth, you go to the dentist. If you have an ear infection, you go to an ENT specialist. All of these are areas that we are comfortable dealing with. That the mental health part for most people still carries a lot of baggage. I'm blessed. I'm fortunate that I did not have those. I did not have those hurdles to overcome. So I was very. It was easier for me to look at that part and to acknowledge it. Acknowledging is the first step, which is the most difficult part. Because most people will tend to look at it and say, "Arey, you know, आज मेरा mood थोड़ा off है. It's okay, bro. You know, it's fine. Which is you're sweeping the problem under the rug. You're not addressing it. It's like suppose your tooth hurts. You're like, रहने दो. दांत में दर्द है, रहने दो. क्या होगा? It'll get worse. It will pain more. The tooth will rot and you will have even more pain. It is the same thing. You have to slow down, you have to stop and take a look at it and pay attention to it. I started to really perceive this in myself, I guess around 2013, 14 onwards.
Okay.
That is where more and more I started to, as I look back, you know, when you're in the middle of it, you don't really realize. You can say, "Acha nahi, ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai." You will bypass a lot of it. Now, from where I am, if I'm looking back, my feeling is that I guess around 2013-14.
हालांकि इमरान खान ने रिवील किया कि भले ही वो डिप्रेशन में थे, पर काम से उन्हें काफी लगाव था. पर काम में क्रिटिसिज्म को झेल नहीं पा रहे थे इमरान खान, as he faced backlash for some of his projects. While in today's time, people revisit his movies and find it way ahead of time. The actor, who is all set to bounce back in the world of glamour, has also revealed about his personal life post-divorce with wife Avantika Malik. इमरान खान ने बताया कि उनकी बेटी उनके साथ हफ्ते के कुछ दिनों रहती है, पर अब जब वो फिर से एक्टिंग करियर को रिवाइव कर रहे हैं, तो वो ये सोच रहे हैं कि उनकी बेटी को वो किसके पास रखेंगे when he will not be at home. The actor said, Thursday to Sunday, I don't take on any work because those are the days when I have my daughter with me. Because I have to take her to school, get her ready, be there and do all these things, I don't take on work from Thursday to Sunday. I only take on work on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If I start shooting for something, it's going to go for a toss, but वो कल देखा जाएगा. I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. साथ ही इमरान खान ने ये भी बताया कि उन्होंने रणबीर कपूर की फिल्म एनिमल को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं किया था. Rather, he was taking a dig at his own movie.
People like to take these things and make it about another
Twist
film.
it.
I personally would never. I would never critique another person's film in public. I would consider that disrespectful.
इमरान खान ने जूम के साथ कई सारी बातें खुलकर बोल दी, as he chose to not mince his words this time and rather let it all out. While we thoroughly enjoyed the actor's honest confessions, we are looking forward to see him soon in the world of cinema.